So there I was, new project management job at OnStar. And I'm in a conference room on the 24th floor, downtown Detroit at the Renaissance Center. I'm in a meeting with 3 core teams in the conference room. I have another 6 core teams from Atlanta, Georgia, and Austin, Texas on a telepresent video conference. Our purpose of the meeting is to how do we resolve and address over 100 plus defects in a software release that's going out into the production environment in 3 to 4 weeks. I open the floor for suggestions from the developers, and I get complete silence. I noticed in the room and on the video conference that the developers are afraid to offer up suggestions. Their managers are also in the room as well. This scenario may have been something that you experienced. What I want to talk about is how negative leadership from project managers contribute to software development teams releasing software applications with poor quality in North America and the automotive industry. Companies invest millions of dollars in developing these applications and cloud solutions. If they don't deploy them to production where these business features can be consumed by the end customers, the revenue is not generated. This study is also significant because it provides empirical data to support emotional intelligence and servant leadership research. The purpose of the study is to examine the relationship between IT project management professionals' emotional intelligence traits and servant leadership behaviors. A quantitative method is being used. A correlation design is being used to examine the relationship of emotional intelligence predictors' well-being and emotionality and servant leadership criterions, authentic self, transforming influence, covenantal relationship, and volunteer subordination. 2 skills that I've learned from this study is survey design and APA citations. I had the expectation of duplicating the emotional intelligence servant leadership survey onto SurveyMonkey's site. However, in order to use SurveyMonkey's expert panel, I had to meet some design criteria, and one of those is survey fatigue. Only 10 questions could appear on a screen, 10 or less questions. It also recommended to make sure that sign worked on a mobile device. A lot of participants will use cell phones to complete these surveys. API citations was very critical to check for accuracy. I had a situation where I downloaded an article from the University of Phoenix library, later to find out that one of the authors was missing from the document and the citation from University of Phoenix's library. Downloaded the article from the Publishers Journal website, and the citation in the article was more accurate, so it's important to check for accuracy. The most important lesson I learned is alignment, and that's basically having a consistent message throughout the document from the title, topic, problem statement, research questions. Throughout all the chapters, each section should be talking about the same predictors, same criterions. Introducing another variable makes the alignment inconsistent. EI and leadership are evolving to similar skills as teamwork, project management, communications, hiring employees, new hires from college campuses, and experienced employees. Employers are looking for those emotional intelligence leadership skills in new employees. I also had the opportunity to work with researchers in the United States, Australia, and Amsterdam that are also working on servant leadership to use their servant leadership instruments. Dr. Sanjaya created a new survey, the Servant Leadership Behavior Scale 6, which addresses survey fatigue by reducing the number of questions. That concludes the presentation. If there's any Questions, please let me know.